Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to a 143 scale video. And today we have an Ebbro model, Ebbro Oldies. This is a Prince Skyline 2000GTB. Been wanting this for the longest time. It's just that the pricing everywhere on this thing was always too much. And I found this one in the flea market for like 17 euros, and yeah, had to get it because everywhere else it was going for 25 to 30 even. That's mostly I think because Ebbro has stopped existing, as much as I know, and yeah, very actually happy to get this one. I had this one in from Hot Wheels, but since I got this one, I have traded or sold away the Prince Skyline from that, since I think this will be much better than that one. So enough of that. Let's get it out if I can and check it out closer. Come on. There we go. Comes in this acrylic case. Has a smudge on there. That was where they put the price tag on, and just didn't quite like it how it looked, so I had to take off the price tag. Looks like we might have a little bit of a crooked bumper in the back, but mostly looking fine. As you can see, it's still stickered on, so if it's been removed from the base, I have no idea. I don't think so, because the buyer I bought it from didn't look like a person who would want them to be taken off the base. So that need to be careful, as there's like really little rear view mirrors on the front of the car, which I would not want to break off. My hand is very shaky for some reason. So that's that. Okay, here we go. Let's get into this vehicle, and it is looking very nice. You have this like sort of wooden steering wheel by the looks of it. Might not be. The interior looks very nicely detailed also. You can see around the doors there. Nice detailed. We have like black seats. Base is pretty simple, nothing much there. It will be a roller. As you can see, the wheels do turn. A little, like our little mirrors on the front there. Lights are lensed, so grill piece and everything. The bumpers are a separate piece. We have the windshield wipers. The rims look very nice. There's the gas cap, which is also a separate piece. Like the taillights, the trimming, all those are separate pieces. They're not painted on, they're actually separate pieces. And the back bumper, I'm still not sure if it's crooked or it's just my eyes playing tricks on me. It could be one or the other. So tell me what you think. If it's my eyes just playing tricks on me, or it's just or it's actually crooked. But yeah, there's nothing much more I can say about this car. That it just looks very good for a vintage Japanese car. Can't give you any like history information. The only thing I know about it is that it used to race. Well, this is like the civilian version, but I know this car used to race. And I think that's where it all started for the Skylines, because it didn't win, but it was like constantly getting people's attention or something like that. And I think that's where it all started for Skyline. That's where it started exploding. The Skyline name started to grow. At least that's what I remember. Maybe my information is wrong, and you can correct me in the comments on that, or just add your story. And yeah, that'll be that. Hope you liked the model, the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.